How's it going? In this video, I'll show you how to archive chats on WhatsApp. I'll also show you how to unarchive them at the end as well. So what you want to do to archive a chat, you want to tap on contact to highlight them, and that'll bring up this menu at the top. And what you want to do is press on the one with the arrow facing downwards, which will archive it. As you can see at the bottom, one chat archived. So to archive all chats on WhatsApp, you can press on the three dots, open up your settings, come down to chats, and then chat history at the very bottom. You see there is an option to archive all chats. So that's how you do that. And then to unarchive a chat on WhatsApp, you will come to your chats menu, and at the very top you'll see an archived section. Press that, and here you'll see a list of all chats that have been archived. So to unarchive them, you would simply do the same thing, tap and hold, and then at the top this time you'll see an arrow facing upwards, so press that, and as you can see, one chat unarchived. So that's how to archive and unarchive chats on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.